Hey, it's Neha. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you haven't done so already, please do subscribe. Today I am doing an unboxing video on the TopBox subscription box. Let's open it up. I haven't checked it out yet. So they do send us a little postcard, I like to call it. It just says, hey beautiful, here is your TopBox. And have fun with it, and yeah. And then they do have their Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram as well. So okay, there's another piece of information on here as well. So I'm guessing there might be a foundation on this. So this one is Hello Happy Velvet Powder Foundation. This, it says that it is a 12-hour long wear, so I'm guessing it is, oh yes, this one. It's from the company Benefit. Let's see, dual coverage powder foundation. Oh yes, so they did email me actually, stating which color was actually closest to my face. I will be doing a review on this. Oh, that's cute actually. So this is the box. This is what was inside of it. That's so cute. And then this little sponge thing. Okay, I'll definitely do a review on that. Okay, look at that. This one's all bubbly wrapped. Okay, floss. Oh, it's an eyeshadow, not the floss. So this one, it says, never tested on animals. So let's check it out. Oh no, I think I'll have to rip it. It's not coming. It's not opening. All right, I got it. So this one is an eyeshadow. Let's see the color. Oh, it's a pretty color actually. Oh yeah, I'm definitely going to be using that too. I can definitely make a review on this. So this company is Floss. The color, it is Genoa. I think I'm pronouncing that right. Genoa. That's really pretty actually. Oh, here's another one actually from the same company, Floss. This one is a lip gloss. Alright, this is going to be different because I don't really like lip glosses, but I'll definitely give it a try, and we'll see how it goes with my skin color. But yeah, and this one is called My New Favorite Lip Gloss. I do believe the color is Flax. And then this. Oh, and this is the box as well. Again, this company, I guess, they never tested on animals. I'll definitely check it out and do a review on this. And then what else do we have? This is, oh yeah, that's the last product here. It is a company called Kodali. It is apply morning and evening to face and neck, either by itself or after your serum. It is a moisturizing sorbet. And it is for sensitive skin. That's perfect for my skin. Oh yeah, it smells good. Perfect. So all of these I will be doing a review on. I think again, like, this box is amazing. This I'm definitely gonna wear. I kind of like this. And I'm gonna do a review on this foundation as well. But other than that, this is the TopBox video for a subscription box from TopBox. And again, I do get it every 15th of the month. and again for $15. It is a Canadian company. The only thing I do want to say as well, like my other videos, I do not get paid promotions to make this video. I just like doing this. I just like doing the reviews on products. If there's any review that you want me to do for beauty reviews or even anything, please do let me know and put down a comment down below. Thank you for watching.